Salam Pagi. This morning I'm doing a little jungle trekking, as they call it, and it takes about 45 minutes to get from this side of the island to the other, and should go over the top of the hill. And yeah, just doing something a little bit different on my last morning here at the Perhentian Island Resort. Literally 20 meters in and I'm lost already. That doesn't look like much of a track. It's gonna be a bit of an adventure, this, I think. Yeah, I reckon this is probably it. There's literally no path here. Just hope this is the right way. It kind of looks like a path. I'm not lost because I know the beach over there. There's a beach over there. But I'm in this sort of almost impenetrable jungle at the moment. It's beautiful though. But I know if I just keep going that way, I should be alright. Keep on hearing rustling in the bushes and all sorts. And there's lots of plants that you don't want to grab onto because they've got spikes, or they've got this like fur that makes your, the bamboo especially has got this fur that makes your skin really super itchy. I'm gonna try and get through this way. Right, I sacked that bit off because it just wasn't a trail, it wasn't going anywhere. It's completely impenetrable up the top. It'll take me bloody hours. Gonna go back down a different way and see if I can find another entrance to the trail. Must have just missed it. There was a big tree that had fallen down, so I wonder if that was where the trail usually started. Right, I'm basically back to the start now. There's a badminton court through there. That's where the fallen tree was. And there seems to be a bit of a trail here. Here we go. Yeah, this looks like it. Oh, there's an arrow. Hope that's an arrow, not blood. Yeah, the other way was straight up, so it's pretty mental. No one's gonna do that. Apart from me. Here we go. Yeah. Perfect. Right, let's do this. Oh, there's a sign. Go to Awana. Okay. Ramble under this one. Hot. I've also got no idea what's at this beach. It could be a little beach town, some hotels or something, or it could be just a remote little beach with nothing. Another little lizard. Oh, I can see a building. Right, so I was going to go that way, carrying on the trail, but look, just found this red arrow this way. Interesting. Where the hell am I going? I absolutely love doing stuff like this. You can just sit around lolling about at your breakfast table, or go and have a little mini adventure. I'm a bit lost now. I've got this red pole, but there's no real obvious track that way or that way. Ah. Go up here. Here we go. Cross over this bit here. Yeah, that looks like a track. Looks like some sort of old oil factory place or something. No idea. What is that place? Pretty creepy. Wouldn't want to be here at night, I'll tell you that. It's very creepy. Creepy enough in the daytime. Bloody hell. Oh, it's giving me the shivers, this place. What is this? Danger. What way do I go now? It's getting creepier and creepier now. Let's go through this old gate. Can't see those red marks anymore, which is a bit worrying. I just spotted another pole with the red dot on top, so I'm definitely going the right way. This is obviously a track, so it's got to lead somewhere. Looks like we're coming back to civilization. Normally I'd pick up the odd bottle here and there, but this is beyond repair. Just burning plastic. This is horrendous. Right, I'm just going to walk through the village, go to the beach, get my bearings. Random little bird. He doesn't look very happy. Okay, it seems to be like a little hotel here. Wow, spectacular beach. Just a shame all that going on behind it, no one would know. Customary dip in the sea, the other side of the island. There's not much here on this side of the island, that's for sure. Surprising, it's such a beautiful beach. I'm sure there'll be development one day. Okay, so just down the end of the beach by the flags, you've got this little sign here, jungle trekking, 10 AM. Got to be back by about 10 to 11, so get my skates on. Got the sign, jungle trekking. Right, I'm at the top of the hill. I found this 155 metres. Pretty solid. Absolutely dripping now. I'm going to run straight into the sea, I think, when I get there. And here we are, through the gate. Jungle trekking completed.